Hi, good morning, everybody. How are you? My name is Attorney Charles Zavala here from Zavala Texas Law in beautiful Houston, Texas. I would say beautiful. It is beautiful, but it's hot, guys. It's June 15th. It's hot, it's humid, but I wouldn't trade it for anything. Here at Zavala Texas Law, we are an immigration law firm. We also handle criminal defense and business claims. Today, we are doing a video regarding immigration, more specifically, immigration court, and what's been happening. It's kind of a little update as now that President Biden is our new president. There's kind of been a little bit of shift, I would say, which is, some people may say good, some people may say bad, but I'm going to try to explain it to you, give you my point of view, tell you what's going on, and y'all can ultimately make your decisions. If you guys do like the videos we make, feel free to like, subscribe, do whatever there is, because that tells us you like what we're doing, and we keep on making videos based off of that, right? So that would be greatly appreciated. So let's see, how can I explain this? So most people, when they think of court, they think of criminal court, right? Somebody got arrested and they're in trouble. That exists, right? But there's also immigration court. And what immigration court is, the person, let's call him, example, this little guy right here, Magnus, right? Let's say he's from another country and he's here in the USA and he gets caught. They're going to take him to immigration court. Not criminal court, because he hasn't broken a crime, but he has broken an immigration law, right? So they're going to take him to immigration court, and the point there, what they're trying to do is they are going to try to remove him out of the country. Removal is the same word as deportation. Some people think it's a little bit more PC, but ultimately same thing, removal, deportation. So what happens at immigration court is the immigrant, Magnus, has to show that he has a reason to stay here that's within the law. And it's going to be on Department of Homeland Security, which is the lawyer on the other side, to get him out. Okay? And that's kind of the gist of immigration court, right? We represent the immigrants. Department of Homeland Security represents the USA. So it's kind of, we're trying to find a way to keep them here. They're trying to find a way to remove them. So what's happening, though, is this, there is a large influx of people coming from Latin America and from other countries that coming to our borders to ask for what's called asylum. Asylum is whenever you are fleeing your country due to bad conditions. You're being persecuted, you're being tortured, there's genocide, there's lots of reasons why people come, right? But the problem is, to win asylum, it's very difficult, right? It's not an easy thing to do. So a lot of people are coming from these other countries, especially Latin America, and the amount of cases in the court system is piling up, right? More and more and more are coming. For example, we primarily work out of Houston, Texas. I mean, we do cases all over the USA, but primarily Houston, Texas. Houston has 3 courthouses, immigration courthouses, to handle all the amount of cases are going on, right? So I want to read you something that's going on, and I got this stuff from different news articles, Business Insider, what's this other one, The Hill. So apparently what's happening is there is a huge backlog of immigration cases, right? The number right now they're saying is 1.3 million cases are backlogged right now. Okay? So think about that. That's 1.3 million people, or it could be more, right? Because you can sometimes have families involved in one case. And when COVID happened, all the courthouses shut down. All the immigration courthouses closed down. So that means cases aren't being processed. And unfortunately, at the same time, more people keep on coming in. So those cases keep on growing and growing and growing and growing and growing and growing and growing, right? And what does that mean, right? That means that, for example, some of my cases aren't scheduled till 2024, 2025. That's 3, 4, 5 years from now, right? Just because the backlog is so much. So this article I was reading here on the Business Insider is saying that the immigration judges, there's about approximately 500 in the USA, that they're feeling overburdened, right? They're saying they're feeling pressured. They're saying, listen, man, we have so many dang cases that we can't move through them like we normally would. So they almost feel like there's a pressure on, hey, man, we need to clear these out. And that's just not, anytime in any sort of system where you have an over or backlog, it's not good, right? Because that shows that either there's a bottleneck in the system, or that there's just too many people coming in and they don't know what to do with that. right? So that puts us in a situation where it's going to keep on climbing, the amount of backlogs. In fact, let's see, what's this number I saw that was big? Where is it? I think okay, in May alone, so that was last month, May, there were 180,000 migrants tried to enter the USA. So all these people are being stopped at the border and they're being placed in the removal deportation proceeding, just adding to the backlog. So a lot of people are seeing right now in the news that immigration detention centers or camps or there's a big backlog. This is why it's happening, because a lot of people are coming in. COVID has closed down the courts, so a backlog is just happening, right? So what are we going to do about that? Well, I personally can't do anything about that, right? But here I read another article about the new president, Joe Biden. He's giving ICE attorneys, ICE is Immigration Customs Enforcement. Those are the lawyers for Department of Homeland Security, right? So while we try to keep the immigrant here, the lawyers on the other side are the ICE lawyers. So Biden gave the lawyers for Department of Homeland Security more discretion to drop immigration cases, right? That's good news. So ultimately what he's saying, Biden is saying, listen, guys, if you find that there's certain cases that, let's have some sort of priority system here. Let's go for the big ones. But if there's other cases that are a little bit wimpier, let's clear those. Let's drop them so we can fix the backlog, right? So, makes sense, right? So here, look, let me read you exactly what's going on here. So it says the Biden administration is giving immigration prosecutors more discretion over which cases they pursue or even drop, a move that could limit the overwhelmed immigration system. Okay, so the administration told the lawyers to weigh compelling humanitarian factors, right? What does that mean? Prosecutorial discretion. So that means the ICE attorney can choose what they prosecute or not. So the question is going to be, all right, well, how do I know that I want to prosecute this person, not this person? So what they said is this here. I found it earlier. They are trying to... Oh, man, I'm sorry about this. I found it earlier. Man, I did see this. Oh, here it is. They're asking the DHS, Department of Homeland Security, to drop cases against people who have green cards, elderly, pregnant, or serious health problems, or have been in the USA in an early age, right? So those are 5 humanitarian factors that they should consider, which can be great, right? Because let's say you're an immigrant and you fall under one of those. With this new guidance from Biden or the administration, your case may be dismissed because the government's saying, listen, we have too many cases right now. Let's go for the big dogs. We'll dismiss yours right now. We may come back for you later. We haven't decided yet. But I think this is a great idea, or this is great for the immigrant because 1, it's going to help with the backlog, right? So you're not going to have as many cases going on. And 2, if you qualify under those green card holder, elderly, pregnant, health conditions, or been in the USA for a long time, you may have your case dismissed, right? Your immigration case may be closed, which is fantastic, right? So all in all, from what I see from this is a move from the Biden administration trying to clear the backlog, right? They're trying to say, listen, there's too many cases right now. Let's deal with the cases that are important. And the way they're doing that is they're giving prosecutorial discretion to the ICE lawyers to figure out, hey, which cases are you going to go after and which are you not? And what does that really mean, right? Let's say practical. All right, so let's say we got little Magnus. He's from another country, right? And he's here in the USA. If, let's pretend, he's been here in the USA since he was 1 year old and now he's 30, he would fall under this. He was in the US at an early age. So the government may say, you know what? He's not the person we're trying to go for right now, so we may just dismiss this case. So you know what? That's great. So if you do have a case right now with immigration, see if you fall under one of those classifications and get your lawyer to contact DHS and see if you can close it through prosecutorial discretion, right? That would be a great thing to do. But we are noticing that the courthouses are opening up, the immigration courthouses, and we'll see how it goes, But there has been a huge immigration backlog because of COVID, and it's just piling up. So hopefully this helps somewhat clear the backlog that's been existing. But I just wanted to give you all that little bit of update. I'm also going to do another video coming up about Biden and talking about which criminals are going to go after. in terms of immigration, right? And I'll do a video about that because that's really important too, because we do criminal and immigration, so that'll help. But I hope this video was able to help you guys understand a little bit what's going on with the immigration backlog. And if there's any questions, feel free to give us a call. Our phone number's right here. Social media is everywhere. You can schedule an appointment. We're more than happy to help. Fully bilingual law firm. We take cases all over the USA. Feel free to give us a call, okay? So if you have any questions, my name is Charles Zavala. Each phone appointment is going to be with me personally, and I'm more than excited to happy to talk with you guys, okay? So y'all have a beautiful day. Take care. Bye-bye.